development, applications have become increasingly complex, often composed of numerous containers working together. Managing these containers efficiently is crucial for smooth application performance. This is where container orchestration comes in. Think of it as an orchestra conductor, coordinating all the musicians, containers, to produce a harmonious symphony, your application. Container orchestration automates the deployment, management, scaling, and networking of containers. It ensures that your application runs smoothly, even when dealing with a large number of containers across multiple servers. Without it, managing a containerized application can quickly become a chaotic and time-consuming task. Imagine trying to direct a symphony orchestra without a conductor, each musician playing their part without coordination. That's what it's like managing containers without orchestration. It's doable, but messy and inefficient. Container orchestration tools provide a centralized platform to manage the entire lifecycle of your containers. From initial deployment to scaling and updates, orchestration simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. Key features of container orchestration. Container orchestration tools offer a range of powerful features that streamline container management. Let's explore some of the key features. Load balancing. Just like a traffic controller, load balancing distributes incoming network traffic evenly across multiple containers. This prevents any single container from becoming overwhelmed, ensuring optimal application performance and a seamless user experience. Scaling. As your application grows and requires more resources, orchestration tools allow you to effortlessly scale up or down the number of containers. This ensures your application can handle varying traffic demands without any downtime. Rolling updates. Orchestration tools facilitate seamless application updates without interrupting service. They achieve this by gradually updating containers one by one, ensuring zero downtime and a smooth transition to the latest version of your application. High availability. Downtime can be detrimental to any business. Orchestration tools provide high availability by automatically restarting or replacing failed containers. This ensures your application remains accessible even if a container encounters an issue. Popular container orchestration tools. Several container orchestration tools are available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Let's delve into 3 popular options. Docker Swarm. Docker Swarm is a native orchestration tool for Docker, known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's a great choice for smaller deployments or teams new to container orchestration. Kubernetes. Often referred to as Kubernetes, Kubernetes is a powerful and highly scalable orchestration platform developed by Google. It's widely used for large, complex deployments and offers a wide range of features and integrations. OpenShift. Built on top of Kubernetes, OpenShift is a platform as a service, PaaS, offering from Red Hat. It provides enhanced security features, developer tools, and enterprise-grade support, making it suitable for organizations with specific security and compliance requirements. Container orchestration brings numerous advantages to modern application management. It simplifies deployment, automates scaling, enhances resource utilization, and improves overall application reliability. By automating tasks and providing a centralized management platform, orchestration frees up developers to focus on innovation and building better software. To clarify some technical terms, manager machines. These are the brains of the operation, responsible for making decisions about container deployment and management. Worker nodes. These are the workhorses, running the actual containers. Replicas. These are identical copies of a container, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. In conclusion, container orchestration has become an essential aspect of modern software development, enabling organizations to build, deploy, and manage complex applications with ease. By understanding its key features and exploring popular tools, developers and businesses can leverage the power of orchestration to streamline their workflows, optimize resource utilization, and deliver exceptional user experiences.